Let's have a little functional fun with foam rolling. And by meaning functional, I just want to combine a few other training components with it rather than just the typical soft tissue release, lymphatic drainage, fascial release that we typically do. So here, I'm just rolling out the upper back, locking up my shoulders, keeping those scap depressed so I can work some overhead shoulder blade control. Sliding down using hamstrings, keeping my glutes locked, posterior pelvic tilt on, and core locked down as I release the back muscles. Do a little toe touch, some pike pulses to really stretch the posterior chain. Activate the anterior core in the short range. For the quads, start from hips, work your way all the way to the knees. Making sure, again, keeping posterior pelvic tilt to lock up your lower back and protect that. Now you can work into a saw, working some scapular protraction. Bending the knees, adding a little extra stretch into the quads and anterior chain. Pressing up into cobra pose. Making sure that you keep belly button drawn in and glutes on to protect your back. Lateral chain, lateral quad, IT band. The bottom arm is pressing up into a side plank, into an arch. Squeeze the thighs together. Again, keeping those glutes activated so you don't overextend through the spine. Put a little bend in the bottom leg just to stretch out that IT band a little bit more effectively. With the top arm, just doing some reaches to really stretch that lateral chain on the top side. You can see from the back side, I do really let the spine side bend in the bottom position, but it is activated. Working back into the backside again, further down on the calves. Just playing some long bridge, calf rollouts, and pike positions. Add a little straight leg raise, just to stretch out the backside, split the hips. A lot of wrist extension happening here, so make sure those fingertips are pressed into the floor to protect that. Flip the hands around. Open up the biceps and add a little extra stretch in through the shoulders. As the biceps cross the shoulder, you can open that up.